Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Remos Acupressure pan. In this case, it is a 13 centimeters version. You can also buy another measurement. You can buy it in stainless steel. In this case, it's stainless steel slash gold. It has a gold finish, a gold surrounding. And of course, the metal can be brass. So these three options you can use, or 10 centimeters or 13 centimeters, like here, 13. You can choose the ball diameters as you like, 2 millimeters slash 4.5 millimeters, or 2.5 millimeters slash 6 millimeters. That you can choose for different type of using. Tread scars yourself. The acupressure pen is brilliant for tackling scars, tension, and adhesions. It fits well in the hand. The acupressure pen is comfortable to hold like a pen. The grooves make sure that you can hold it securely, for example, when working with oil. Small and large boards in one device. There is the option of two boards of different diameters to allow for an individual treatment. You can vary at any time depending which part of the body you are treating. It can be disinfected. The acupressure pad is made from stainless steel and so can be sterilized and disinfected. Fitting protective case. The massage pen is delivered with a case to keep it securely stored. Oh, and it is a really nice pen to use it for example, for acupressure. What is acupressure? Acupressure is an awesome thing, really. It is an alternative medicine technique similar in principle to acupuncture. It based on the concept of life energy which flows through meridians in the body. In treatment, physical pressure is applied to acupuncture points with the aim of clearing blockages in these meridians. Pressure may be applied by hand, by elbow, or with various devices like this acupressure pen, as you can see. Some medical studies have suggested that acupressure may be effective at helping manage nausea and vomiting, for helping low back pain, tension, headaches, stomach ache, among other things. Although such studies have been found to have a high likelihood of bias. Like many alternative medicine, it may benefit from a placebo effect too. But if it is going to help you, then it's be fine, or isn't it? So try it and then judge about it. And this small thing here can use to try it or to perform it. Yeah, it's a good quality device. It is really like a pen with gold surrounding, and you can aim the points with this pen and you can get pressure with it. And this pressure should be helped you with some behaviors. Really awesome. There are so many of pressure points out there. You can find one and press there easily. So you have all of the body. You have so many of these points, and this pen will help you to aim the points and get some pressure on it, and it will be helps you with so different things like pain or other things. So let's make a sample of it. Here you can see my hand. Heju, Li4, or simply Heju. This is the point we are going to search now. This is the fourth acupuncture point on the large intestine meridian, Han Yang Ming, in traditional Chinese medicine. The point is most noteworthy for its usefulness in stopping pain and for its capacity to cause the large intestine to contract, which can assist in moving bowels. So, we are going to locate the point now. The point is located at the highest point of the muscle when thumb and index finger are holds together, or you can touch it by your hand. Locate the point between the web of the first and the second finger. There is the point. Here you can see it. You can feel it. It is the highest point. It is like a little mountain there, and under it there is a soft finger area under it. And here now we are going to push our acupuncture pointer in it with a lot of pressure. You will not have to go through the fingers, of course not. You only have to push down there to press the point and leave there for approximately 1 or 2 minutes, and this is enough for it. It is an example here to get 1 point. It is the Li4 point, and this will get the pain out of your body. There are so many other acupressure points on your body. I will show you next time, but now this is enough with this acupressure pen. Here you can see job's done, good job, nothing is hurt. A little bit is a surface, you can see, but it's okay, no problem with it. So the acupressure pen is working really well. It contains a big ball and a small ball. The small ball is for little acupressure points to aim then, and the big ball is to get a bigger area affected. Really awesome device. It is a good quality device, and you can handle it really safely. And of course you can handle it with other things like pedicure or manicure, for example. No problem with it. You can sterilize it after using. So that it is how to use it with one sample, and it looks beautiful. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.